how to drive the Denali.
It's Black Flag. Driving the German fire engine. Look out. This is emergency. Ugh. It's kind of sketch. Yeah, driving off into the sunset. We got our fire crew back here, right there, there, and there. Good job, crew. Oh, geez. Maybe I should have worn my seatbelt. Forgot that, like, Black Flag is driving.
No blend line.
Ah!
To the apex. Black flag, black flag.
Oh my god. Oh, he's going out to the cone. It's good, it's good. Oh, geez. He's shifting. That was a little sticky there.
Yeah. It's not like a Miata, that's for sure.
Hopefully my phone doesn't fall.
It's flying low.
Will you? Will you? Well, thank you. I appreciate that. I'm gonna hold you to that.
Or a GT3,
Good
right?
fall. Oh, this is the new part. I haven't driven on the new part yet. Whoa, dude. Oh my gosh. It is really smooth now.
Yeah.
It's struggling. You should have downshifted.
Yeah, the hill you gotta grab a second, right? I was just flat out there.
Yeah, don't fall over. Arms out the window, right? Not even wearing your seatbelt.
No seatbelts are flying. That's right.
Oh, jeez, man.
If we follow that way,
Ah!
and we follow
Ah!
All y'all gonna fall right on me.
Oh my gosh. G-forces.
Oh, tracking out, tracking out.
Oh, they're struggling. They're struggling. Okay.
Trail brake. My foot's on the floor. I don't even know how to
Ah! Oh my god.
take. This dog's down here just holding on.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh jeez, now we're going down. Oh my god, Black Flag, dude. Oh my gosh.
You gonna ride the bump? You know how we do it?
Oh my gosh. Oh, look, there's a little. Oh jeez. Ow! Ow! Oh, that wasn't too bad.
That's pretty big, dude. That's pretty big.
Now here comes the part we almost made.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Dude, I'm flat out the whole time. I don't think I'm faster than that. So what's the-
Yeah.
We need to
Look
set the
out.
time for the fire truck. We do. On there.
There's the dog.
He's ready.
She's not having a good time. She's not a Dalmatian. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Oh jeez.
Doing what, 30 miles an hour? Cool, right? Yeah. The real fire truck. Oh,
Look at our shadow. We look like a brick.
yeah. You don't like showers?
Oh my goodness. It is a lot smoother here. Oh, oh my gosh.
There's not near as much grip out here as there used to be.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I didn't feel like it was that grippy to begin with.
I did downshift it in a second.
Anyways, what's
What's
happening there?
So when you go in, just head in where we do the Denali, park it there, and so if somebody else wants to go, we can go in and do it. No? Oh, okay. Well, we'll
This part was sketch.
Everybody hold
Hang
on.
on!
That's what this bar's for the firemen to hold on.
Are you holding on?
assuming, like,
You're holding on.
Taste the water.
Why else would they have a bar?
I hope that door doesn't come open.
No, there's no door there.
Oh, there isn't?
Yeah.
This door was very hard to open, so maybe that's a good thing. Oh my god.
Oh, maintenance throttle around 4.
Here we go. Full send.
This is full send.
This is the vehicle's top speed. Oh.
We'll turn it in line.
Oh my gosh, he's taking this. Oh, jeez. Look out, birds. That bird's trying to die.
They are faster than my trucks will go.
Woohoo! Light the sirens coming in.